Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to ACCSBL Crash Course. This is the introduction to the crash course that we're gonna have. This crash course will span uh, less than a month. We'll cover the past papers. We'll cover the drafting. We'll cover professional marks. But the questions which are generally asked when the students are coming for the exam focused crash course, there are two types of students which I usually encounter. The first ones are those who want each and everything coming up in the last month, but they want, sir, we want everything to be covered. I'm worried whether I'll be able to do it. They are targeting everything for perfection, but they have not yet started. The other category is the other side of the equator, and that says, sir, just tell me 10 things, 15 things, 7 things which I'll do and I'll gonna pass. I don't have time. I cannot work extra. I'll work smart. I'll follow each and every footstep. But sir, I cannot go extra mile. So this exam focused crash course is for those who have not yet even started preparation, but have got some idea of what SBL is about. They've got some idea of what strategic business leader means, what the topics are. For example, they might have studied P1 or P3. They might have studied other subjects. They might have taken some online lectures of SBL. They might have attempted couple of they might have attempted this paper in the last couple of sessions or last year or in 2018, and they are now coming back to ACCSBL and now thinking that how should they actually approach this paper, because this is the lengthiest paper, the lengthiest paper uh, of ACCA. A 4 hour long paper itself, 4 hours itself is a separate, altogether a separate examination. Apart from the syllabus that is being asked, apart from the case that is being given, it is in itself a separate challenge. Moreover, moreover, uh, I'll try to sum it up in 15 to 20 minutes. Uh, there are a few things that I'm going to discuss in this introduction session, and then we'll continue with those students who will register with us, who will register with this program, will be given access to the lectures and the live sessions in which I'll gonna cover the agenda that I'll be discussing shortly now. So ACC as well crash course number one. First thing, my friends, first thing, what is the agenda of exam focused crash course? This is the question that you should ask me. So I'm asking it from myself with you. Uh, okay, sir, tell me, what will be the agenda of this exam focused crash course? Are we supposed to keep the study text aligned with myself? Do I need to read every single line of the study text? Am I in need of learning all your smart notes? What am I supposed to do? Okay, let's take a deep breath. Oh, okay, no, just listen. This this crash course is focused. This crash course is focused on uh, on the following things. Look at this. We have got 5 things. 5 things. We have got 5 things. First, first, quick revision of important areas. 15 chapters. By 15 chapters, you know what do I mean? By 15 chapters, I mean ACCA's approved study text, right? And which is of BPP Publishing Media. Number two, brainstorming activities. These are my one of the most value adding sessions, and these are one of the most loved features of my regular course, of my crash course, because these features are those which empower the students to think beyond their existing parameters. To think beyond their existing parameters. Then we have got number three, and in number three we have got uh, specimen papers and past papers. How to approach them, how to deal with them. That how many we have got. Keep in mind we have got three past. three specimen papers. How many? Three. Three. Number one, we have got DCS. We have number two, we have got Railco. Number three, we have got NEBI. These three specimen papers are not supposed to be left. But on these papers, I will make you practice how to read and how to annotate and how to mark the requirements. So these specimen papers will be used for getting yourself familiar with the case that you are expected to face in the exam hall or in the remote CB exam if you're giving, or in the CB exam that you're giving in the CB center. Past papers are actually there to help you learn, attempt, simulate your exam performance, and then get your drafting checked from directly by me. And I'll be guiding you how your performance is. And I'll be telling you not just what is wrong, rather, I'll be helping you out in finding out how to do right what's wrong, how to make things good. Then we've got fourth. Fourth thing is professional skills. You know that the entire ACCA SBL course is examined with 100 marks exam, and the 100 marks exams is then broken into 20 and 80. 20 and 80. 20 marks are for professional skills, and 80 marks are for the technical marks. And technical marks relates to the subject area that is being examined. So 20 marks, 50 marks are passing marks. So 20 out of 50 makes 40% of your passing marks. So professional skills give you an edge how to pass the exam. Then we have got fifth area, and that is the benchmark paper. Look at the color of this text. Benchmark paper for drafting and professional skills. This is one of the priceless thing that you will get in my sessions. Now, second thing, second thing, second thing is duration of exam focused crash course. Question mark. How long will it gonna run? It's just it's just a 2 weekend course. A 2 weekend course. So how do you see this? Let's assume. Let's assume. Let's assume that we are preparing for March exams. And if we are preparing for March exams and we have got 2 weekends coming up next. The first weekend will be, for example, 12th Feb, 13th Feb, and 14th Feb. I am talking about long weekend. By long, I mean Friday into this weekend as well. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, assuming that you are appearing in Feb exams, you're appearing in March exam setting, and same goes for those who are appearing for June, who are appearing for September exams, who are appearing for December exams. So we need to work like this, that this 2 weekend course, this 2 weekend course would be needed, would be needed, would be required your attention for 3 days on screen at least. And you know what's the good news? My friends, the good news is, the best part, the good news is that we have got these lectures recorded as well as live. So if somebody cannot just take out um, time on the weekends because of any of the work pressures, family commitments, anything, no problem. We have got the solution. Solution is quite simple. What he or she needs to do is talk to me directly. I'll provide access to the lectures. And this is for, remember, this is for those who actually cannot manage for uh, for the live sessions, right? And I make these sessions recorded as well because there are moments when you are disturbed, the internet connections go somewhere, and the students are then forced to recall that or recap that. So you cannot rewind a live session. For example, if this session is live, is only live, then there will be no chance of getting back to it once you have lost something. But yes, friends, there are chances, there are chances to recall and to cover up something or to watch a particular lecture, a question which you might have faced difficulty in preparing for, and now you are uh, thinking about that to attempt that question or look at that lecture for what I have uh, explained in the lectures. So you can, by the virtue of this online lectures, these recorded lectures, you can ask me to stop, I'll stop. You'll ask me to speak, I'll speak, because my lecture will be in your control. But you cannot control me when you cannot ask me to repeat that thing for 100 times. But yes, online you can do that. In online sessions, friends, you can do that. You can really make me follow the footsteps that you are saying. So, and this specific crash course, this specific crash course is not just supposed to um, like uh, a one-time activity, but we offer these crash courses for the entire year. For example, for June, for for uh, for September, and then for December. So here we talked about the flexibility of this course, and now we'll move to the uh, third question, the second question, the duration. The duration of this crash course is um, 2 weekends, the 2 weekend course, and the first day for Feb would be 12 Feb Friday for March sessions, 13 Feb Saturday, and 14 Feb Sunday. 3 days, and then the second weekend, 19th Feb, 20th Feb, and 21st Feb. For those who are planning for September exam sessions, for June, the crash course 14th May, and after that we have got 15th May. It's same for the entire year. It's same for the entire year. 2 weeks for uh, Feb, that is for March exam sessions, and 2 weeks for the uh, June exam sessions, and 2 weeks for September, and 2 weeks for December exam sessions. So not so difficult. I'll just show the dates to save the time, right? And further, uh, what material you will be needing in this crash course? Do you need to purchase something? You just need to enroll into this course. The course material will be shared with you. The important notes will be shared with you, right? So you don't need to worry about that. For September, the dates are 10th, 11th, and 12th, and then we have got 17th, 18th, and 19th, right? After that, we have got the November timetable, 12th, 13th, and 14th November, and after that, we have got uh, 19th. It's basically November. It's basically November. Uh, 19th November, 20th November, and 21st November. So how to register? It's very simple. Just contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is there on the screen now. You can catch me on WhatsApp, 00923453525352. The email is there, sbl with msa at the rate gmail.com. And you can register live on the portal as well, accsbl.msatribe.com. So, any other question that you would like to ask, that you would uh, like me to answer? If you would like me to mark a particular copy or script for you, I'm there for you. If you want me to serve you, like if you want me, for example, to help you in drafting, uh, all specific things, all specific packages, all specific services can be obtained. Just contact me on WhatsApp. I'll try to help you out in getting out of this ACCSB exam with successfully accomplishing it with flying colors, inshallah. So this is Mohammed Saltaf signing out now, and I'll be therefore with you all guys to support you, to help you guys for till the exam night, and then on the exam day to celebrate and cherish your success. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.